Digital accessibility is everyone's responsibility at YSU. To help ensure that your Microsoft 365 files are accessible, use the Accessibility Checker, a free tool available in Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote on the Windows desktop applications, Office 365 for the web, or Mac. The Accessibility Checker is located in the Review tab in Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Excel. It finds most accessibility issues and explains why each might be a potential problem for someone with a disability. It also offers suggestions on how to resolve each issue. Make a habit of running the Accessibility Checker after each iteration of your document, presentation, note, spreadsheet, or message. In Outlook, you'll find the Accessibility Checker by clicking the ellipses in the top right corner of your message window. View the training materials included in this module to learn more about how to use Microsoft's built-in accessibility checkers.